Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're new to my channel, welcome, please subscribe. And if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals or any sort of counseling sessions, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. Let's begin. Your cards are already out and we are going to start with your love life first. You've got the Two of Moons and the Five of Suns. I do see that you're very hopeful of a situation. You are in love with somebody, and but this person could not have given you a lot of attention, right? You fell for them, but I do see that this person could have a lot of options. They could have a good personality and people simply are attracted towards them, or you met this person through dating or matrimonial app where they have a lot of other options. Or if this is a situationship, this person is on and off because he or she is talking to multiple people, exploring their options, not giving you commitment. And if you're already married, I do see that it can be an extramarital affair as well. If any of this situation is yours, please note that this week your partner is going to come back to you. Yes, I do see you getting victory, you getting some sort of success in the situation where your partner, no matter how many people they are dealing with, no matter how tough the competition is, they will be choosing you. They will realize this week that they have not met a person like you, that you are the one for them, and they will come back running towards you. So get ready, because in the love life, you're going to hear from this person very, very soon, and they're going to commit to you or give you some sort of, stability and confession or apology as well. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Three of Stars and Three of Suns. I also see that 3-3. You could be seeing a lot of 3-3, or three number, or 3 month, or three date could be very important for you. Third week, you know. So something related to three. Also, you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. I do see that in your career, in your work, business, or even if you're a student, you are supposed to end something and now move into a new direction. So you could be ending your school, starting a college, ending a college, starting a job, changing field, or starting a new business. It can be anything, right? But I do see that you'll have to end something in order to begin something. I also see that there will be a separation. So you could be maybe leaving your family behind when you go for this new opportunity that is coming your way. It could be in another city, state, or country. Or you could be changing schools and colleges where you will be leaving some of your friends behind and meeting new people. Whatever this opportunity for you is, it's going to give you a lot of happiness, because this is something you're really, really passionate about. It is some sort of newness I see in your reading, which will give you happiness and success and everything that you ever wished for. So don't worry if you have to leave something behind or leave someone behind, because the new direction that you are going towards is really meant for you, is really going to bring you everything that you have ever wished for. So if you want to start a new business, job, anything, or want to switch, this is the correct time. Go for something you're passionate about, right? This will give you a lot of happiness, peace, the inner peace that probably you're not getting in your current position. Also, I do see that overall this week is going to be brilliant for you, Scorpios, because your love is coming back, they are choosing you, you're moving into a new direction in your career, which is going to give you a lot of success and happiness. What else can you ask for, right? So if you guys resonated with this reading, or if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation is exactly happening in your life out of all that I mentioned, and I would love to read it, like it, and I will try to reply to maximum people. Also, if you still have any doubt or questions, you want to ask specific questions to me about yourself or any of your friends and family, go ahead and book a personal reading. I also have Oracle Love reading for people who are in no contact. I have rituals available with me, easy, powerful, and cheap rituals. I have packages available for people who are single, in love, or looking for career, and every package will have fixed set of 4 to 5 questions, along with a free remedy as well, to exactly see what is blocking your growth, right? Lastly, I take counseling sessions as well. So if you think you or any of your friends and family need some sort of counseling, therapy, guidance, mentorship, because they are really feeling low in their life, they haven't spoken or opened up about their problems to anyone because they're afraid of their secrets getting revealed or people laughing at them, then you can always come to me. These one-on-one sessions will be very private, and I will have audio video sessions also for half an hour, 1 hour sessions also, but only on Instagram, Zoom or Google Meet. Okay. So if you would like to book any session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram, since here I'll only be meeting you weekly. There on a daily basis I post my prices, my discounts, the new services that I keep on adding, the rituals, what is the right time to do, etc. daily basis. Okay. All these things are also mentioned in my bio and my description box, so you can check out the services, but the prices uh, will be available on my Instagram only. Okay. So take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.